Hey guys, just wanted to run a quick video, show you that I got this new locomotive working. So it wasn't too hard because this particular model is, I think it's a 23211, I think. It's got the drop-in decoder option, so you got to basically split the red and black apart, and then get into the electrical board, which sits inside the boiler. In fact, I'll show you, it's this little electrical board. And it tells you where you're going to cut those two pieces. The two lower ones you can see just above my finger. Just snip those off, and then it pops out, and then you pop in the old LGB decoder. Like I think it's a 55021 or something like that. And put it all back together. So it wasn't too bad. Had to put a new traction tire on it, and that's about it really. Everything's working great, so extremely pleased with that. Anyway, that's it. Nothing else to say. Okay guys, have a great weekend.